SkillBrew.ai. This is Sohani Parekh, and today we are going to walk through one of the most important steps for anyone starting their programming journey: setting up Python on your computer. So whether you're a complete beginner or just refreshing your setup, this video will guide you through installing Python, creating a virtual environment, and running your very first Python program. So grab your laptop, follow along, and let's get started. The first thing we need is Python itself to download. Go to python.org. Click on the downloads. It automatically detects the operating system and recommend the best version for you. Let's say you want to download some other version. Click on here, and according to the operating system, choose your file and then click here. Now click on continue, 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 click on agree and click on install. And if you're downloading on Windows, make sure to add Python on path. Trust me, this will save a lot of headache. Now Python is installed in our system. Click on close. Open your terminal or command prompt and type Python -- version or Python 3 -- version. If you can see the Python version, that means the Python is installed in your computer and you're ready for the next step. Now that Python is set up, let's move to the second step. But before that, let's create a folder anywhere in your system. I'm creating it on the desktop. And open your IDE. I have VS Code. Now let's isolate our project using a virtual environment. This is basically a clean workspace where all your projects package will live without affecting anything else on your computer. Now click on File, open folder, choose your folder and click Open. Now let's isolate our project using a virtual environment. This is basically a clean workspace where all your projects package will live without affecting anything else in your system. Now open terminal, click on terminal, click on new terminal. Now type Python -m venv and the name of your virtual environment. I'm giving it venv. This creates a folder called venv which contains your virtual environment. Next, we need to activate it. Now type source venv bin activate. Click enter. Now you will notice that your terminal now shows venv at the beginning. That means the environment is active. From here on, everything you install using Python will stay inside this project only. Inside your project, create a file hello.py and write print hello world. Then go back to your terminal and write Python in your file name. Click enter. If you see hello world printed on the screen, congratulations, you have just executed your first Python script and your environment is working perfectly. And that's it, you now have Python installed, a virtual environment created, and your first Python program running. This is the foundation for everything you'll be building in the future. So great job sticking through it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more beginner friendly tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding!